Hello, my name is Antonio Caraballo. I'm a chartered engineer and fellow of the Institution of Mechanical Engineers and the Energy Institute. I have over 20 years experience working on onshore and offshore pipelines that transport oil, gas, CO2, and hydrogen. My expertise covers the design, integrity management, and risk management of this key system for the UK's energy transition. Why this visiting professorship is important is very simple. The UK's journey to net zero will not succeed without fundamentally re-engineering the country's pipeline infrastructure. Pipelines are the backbone of decarbonization. They are key enablers for processes such as carbon capture and storage, hydrogen transportation, and the safe repurposing of existing oil and gas assets required to meet the net zero transition. However, this system introduces complex challenges around material compatibility, fracture control, integrity management, aging assets, regulatory management, and safety risks. These are not purely academic questions. These are very real questions and decisions being made today with long-term implications for safety, the environment, and public confidence. My motivation for becoming a visiting professor at the University of Strathclyde's Neomics department is to bridge the gap between academic research and real-world delivery, bringing current industrial challenges directly into teaching and applying MSc research in a department with outstanding strengths in offshore and marine engineering. Strathclyde University has tremendous strengths in offshore engineering, marine systems, and industry-focused research, and makes it an ideal environment to explore how pipelines can safely enable the energy transition at large scale. As a visiting professor, my goal is not to only teach, but to co-create knowledge, mentor future engineers, and help turn research excellence into practical engineering solutions that support the UK's net zero transition ambitions. I will do this in an inclusive, adaptive, and friendly environment. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Said Lutfian. As academic champion and director of undergraduate studies in the Department of Naval Architecture, Ocean and Marine Engineering at the University of Strathclyde, our students are preparing to enter an industry being reshaped by the energy transition. Yet, they rarely encounter the real-world complexities of hydrogen and CO2 pipeline infrastructure in the classroom. Antonio's appointment will change that. His deep industry experience and his passion for teaching will bring live case studies, design challenges, and mentoring directly into our programs. Together, we will co-develop new content on hydrogen transportation infrastructure, embed industry-led workshops and site visits, and create a lasting digital resource library. This collaboration will produce graduates who are not only technically skilled, also industry-ready. And that is exactly what the UK's net zero ambitions demand.